3 things that you must have if you want to step up your game when it comes to content creation. I will keep this very simple, but they're so important. The difference between your content looking very basic and leaving a lot of things for the eye that are easy to pick up versus videos that people don't even notice. Cuts, the color grades, the music, it's all because it came forward smoothly. And that's the goal of every video, for the experience of that video to be cohesive and smooth, that you don't stop and say, what camera did they use? So there are 3 things that you must have to create great quality videos. Number 1 is visuals. Make sure you have a great composition. At the beginning, I'll suggest you stick with straight on shots and have leading lines. For instance, behind me is a corner. I like that line that goes behind me because it just directs your eye towards me, and then there's nothing else really distracting you in this particular video. Any line that's behind you or on the side that is kind of pointing at you, that's great. Number 2 is great audio. When I started, audio equipment was like $600 for the cheapest microphone, or maybe $500 for the cheapest one. But nowadays you can get great stuff for $60. Like, I'm talking about high quality podcast or radio equipment for $60 to $100 that it's just gonna work wonders for you. Don't skip on this one, because audio really makes or breaks a video, as well as your music. Pick your music accordingly and watch out for those levels. And last, and really far from least, will be story. Your message. This is the most important part of your video. You could have really bad visuals, you could have really low quality when it comes to resolution, but if your story is there, your video is gonna perform really well. I have other videos on this in my channel if you want to check them out. A really good storytelling framework is the hero's journey, and it goes from a hero having a problem to a guide showing him a solution and giving them a plan. Or you can utilize the AIDA method, which stands for attention, interest, desire, and action, which is a call to action in other words. Keep this in mind, and also keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate your videos. As long as you're sharing a great story, a great message, and you're giving value to people, people will stay for your videos. Thank you for watching. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our channel. We talk about content creation, brand, business, and I'm posting a video every day, and I would love for you to join this journey. I'll see you in the next video.